All right, today we're going to learn how to do a kettlebell swing. So the first thing I want you to think about is a hinge position, right? That's the heart of the swing. When you hinge down, your back is going to be straight, your shoulders are going to be back, and you're going to stand up, and then you think about like a plank, like a standing plank, okay? So the first thing I want you to do is get that launch position, right? So you can squat a little bit more on the launching, but it's the only time you're going to squat aside from the land. So we squat, we hinge, we do our set, and then we squat to land. So one thing that I want you to try to do first, and move this forward just a tad, is you're going to squat, and I want you to pull the belt back and then land it. And the lighter you can land it, the better. Pull back and land. And I'm shifting my body weight back. I am not just pulling from my shoulders, right? So we're going to go 1, 2, bring the bell up high underneath your hips, 3. And now, when the bell is high underneath your hips, I'm going to stand up. And then I'm just going to start cycling that hinge. You're going to dig your feet into the ground. You're going to keep your knees from traveling forward. We are not squatting, right? And you're going to keep your shoulders back and a high plank at the top, right? Squeeze, glutes, squeeze abs at the top. Lastly, I'll say your breathing should sound like this. Your elbows, keep them soft. Keep your biceps pointed up. And 3 more, 2 more. Here's how we're going to land it in a nice big squat. Last one, and squat, and land like a dainty butterfly. And that, my friends, is how you do a pretty damn good kettlebell swing. Okay? Hit us up in the comments with any questions, and we'll get those questions answered. Have an awesome day.